Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you how to edit and customize the edge panel on your Galaxy Z Fold 7. So you can manage your edge panels directly through the system settings. You open settings, scroll down to display, and then on the right scroll down until you see edge panels. Make sure that you toggle it on right there. Then you tap Panels, and here you can select which ones that you want active. So there is Apps, Tasks, Weather, Tools, People, Clipboard, and Reminder. While you're in the settings as well, if you hit the back arrow here and you select Handle, you can change the position of it, you can lock it, you can change the color, the transparency of it, the size, and also the width. Okay, once you have everything set the way that you want it, go ahead and close your settings, swipe the edge panel, and you'll see all the areas that you selected here. You can go ahead and select the little pencil icon here, and you can add any apps that you want. If you want to remove any, you hit the minus sign. If you want to drag any, hold down and drag it to where you want it. And you can add, remove, or rearrange up to 22 apps here. You can also switch panels using your swipe gestures. Here you have your tasks, your weather, and your tools. If you swipe all the way right, you tap these three dots, and it'll show the tool options, which include the compass, the ruler, a flashlight, a leveler, and a tally counter as well. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and drop your thoughts or questions in the comments. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.